Ngavana wa Siaya James Orengo augite mirurungano ya thayu niitikiritio ni gatiba na kuogwo maobithaa a borithi matiagiriirwo gukorwo makihuthira hinya mukiru hindi iria marangethanira na arurungani. Orengo akinyanirie murugamo uyu ari kiharo-ini kia ahadi thiini wa igongona ria gwakia mishumaa ya kuririkana aria makwiriire thiini wa mirurungano iria ikoretwo ho kwa kahinda igiri.
I want to say this here in Siaya. There are people in this government which they continue to refer to Raila Amolo Odinga and his colleagues as criminals. That because they are organizing peaceful rallies, they are now decided to call them criminals. Let me remind them that Nelson Mandela was one time called a criminal. That did not stop him from becoming the president of South Africa. The best president that South Africa ever had. Martin Luther King was also called a criminal by the white supremacists in the United States of America. But he went on to win the Nobel Peace Prize. We are saying to the Ruto government that this constitution that we fought for, the 2010 constitution, protects life and property, and the duty of the state is to protect life and property, demonstrating peacefully. And they are demonstrating for a just cause. The struggle continues. Nobody is going to stop us from doing what is right for the people of Kenya. And everywhere people are crying to this Kenya Kwanza illegitimate regime that the cost of living has gone up. Everywhere people are crying. It's not just in Nyanza. They are trying to profile the Luo community that it is only in lowland where people are demonstrating. But people are demonstrating everywhere. Everywhere. To Kitale, in Kisii, in Mombasa, in the entire southeastern